Good morning. It is 9 o'clock. It's a little bit of a wild day today. I'm about to have breakfast, which is my 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. And I've got some seasonings on it. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. I'll see you at lunch. Hey, I don't talk about this a lot, so I wanted to let you know. This is my water. I don't know how much it is, maybe 24, 30, 28. I have no idea how many ounces it is, but this is what I drink my water in every day. I just, so you know what I do, I drink I have my coffee in the mornings. Then I have 2 of these with the Redmond's Relight electrolytes. You don't have to use electrolytes. It just makes me feel better. So I drink 2 of these before lunch with electrolytes and then my protein coffee. And then I usually drink 2 or 3 more of these throughout the day. And that's what I usually add, the water flavor enhancers that I use. So I usually fill this thing about 5, 6 times a day. So that's about how much water I'm drinking. Just thought I'd toss that in there so you knew what I was doing. Lunch is pork steaks, bites, and the sauteed zucchini that I made this weekend. I might have some more zucchini this weekend, depending on how much my coworker brings in. So I'm gonna be eating zucchini till the cows come home. But anyway, so that's lunch. Some zucchini. This one doesn't. I don't see any pico de gallo, so this is just plain zucchini and steak bites, pork steak bites, 6 ounces. Hello, it's supper time. I have 6 ounces of pork steak. You know, it's funny, I was thinking earlier, I'm like, man, I have had diarrhea every day this week. I think it's because of all the pork steak. You know, pork steaks are kind of fatty. So, yeah. Oh, welcome to all you new subscribers. I talk about bodily functions. I'm a nurse, so there's no such thing as TMI to me. But anyway, so yeah, that extra fatty on my on the pork steaks, that's what's going on. All right, let's get back to the food. This is 6 ounces of pork steaks. And I'm definitely still working on the zucchini. We know I had plenty of it, so I'm working on the zucchini. But on this pork steaks, I'm going to do something fun. G. Hughes sugar-free sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. 1 serving is 30 grams. Well, 1 serving of the G. Hughes honey is 30 grams. So I'm going to do half a serving and half a serving. So I'll get those scanned in so you can see what the macros are. So make sure you stay tuned to the end and look at the, what the macros that I had for my day. Okay, so there's that. And then this one. Come on. Alrighty, so there you go. That's what I'm having is pork steaks with some barbecue sauce and the sauteed zucchini from last weekend. Have a good night. I was lazy and doubled up the zucchini and bacon grease.